find this Podium from fixturedisplays.com. You can find this product by searching 19629 on fixturedisplays.com. In this short video, we're going to give you step-by-step instructions how to put it together. It's fairly straightforward. You have the main panel, the partition panel, and then the front panel, along with top and bottom, and the curved metal pieces. Last but not least is the book stopper. If you have any questions, feel free to email us, cs@charliesam@fixturedisplays.com. To start, you want to fasten all the bolts onto the wood panels. Only take a few minutes to do this. And then you want to insert all the nuts or the cams into the round holes. Make sure the arrow on the cam face out toward the opening hole on the side. Now it is very important when you attach the partition panel to the bolts, the fit is very snug and there is no gap between the two boards. If there is any gap, you want to turn the cam or adjust the cam depth slightly so that the two pieces of board has next to no gaps between each other before you turn the cam to lock it. So the three holes would fit perfectly with the three bolts, and then you just fit it in there. Remember, take your time to make adjustments if necessary to ensure there is no gap between these two pieces of board. Now this is a good fit. When you turn the cams, you don't have to turn all the way too tight to damage the cams. The cams are casted zinc alloy. It's strong but won't take abuse. So just snug enough so you lock it in. Now we're going to do the base panel. There are 4 holes, 2 long and 2 short. So match them up and fasten with the 4 screws. If you like this video, we can definitely use a good subscription, a review. If you like the product, we can definitely use a good seller feedback along with a properly written product review. Now we're going to install the curved side panels. It comes with protective film. The curved panels are made just a hair shorter so that it doesn't scratch the top. So if you see a slight gap, that is normal. There are screw holes pre-drilled. You just need to line them up and then fasten the screws. Fixture Displays carry a large selection of podiums, donation boxes, communion tables, along with many other business and church supplies. I encourage you to browse fixturedisplays.com to find many other products that may interest your organization. Likewise, we're going to do the other side. And now all is left is put the top on. Very similar to the bottom. The top has 4 holes for the main structure and 3 holes for the stopper. Simply fasten the screws. And last but not least, we're going to install the book stop. Now the top screw holes that bothers you, you can purchase some round stickers to cover the screw holes. They are widely available. Now we're going to give you some dimensions of this unit. It is 26.7 inches wide, 17 inches deep, and 49.5 inches tall. The shorter end that faces the speaker is 45 inches tall. The unit weighs 50 pounds. We are going to put it on a spinner. The spinner is not supplied. You can see the 360-degree view of this unit. Any questions? Let us know. CS CharlieSam@fixturedisplays.com. Enjoy your day.